Hello, you guys. My name is Luis, and today I'm gonna present this project, which I'm actually pretty excited about. Uh, so basically, it's a calculator. Okay, it's a very basic one, so you can only do multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. Um, and I did it, using Java .awt and Java X Swing. And the main purpose for this program was actually for me to get my feet wet in Java. I've done a lot of Python. I've done a lot of C sharp and some other programming languages. But I decided to finally start coding in Java. And actually, I feel that Java is pretty similar to C sharp in a lot of ways. The ways you create your classes and implement your methods. It's pretty similar. There is a little bit of difference between this syntax of it, but other than that, it was pretty it was easier to code just because of my previous knowledge of C sharp. One thing I do want to point out that I think it's interesting per se is the fact that like I said, like in Python, in C sharp, if you want the user input, you either create you don't create you in Python you do input and that's all it takes. In C sharp you gotta write console.read line to read the user's input, but here in Java you do gotta create and implement Java scanner, which was something new that I learned and I really liked it. So this is my code. No, and then I implemented an action listener just so it communicates the GUI communicates with the code about the user inputs and information. So I created a frame, text fields, buttons, and then you can even set up your font here, and which is pretty cool. And then in the calculator class, you set out the layout. It's basic UUI interface. Um, and then all it took after setting all of those up was, making codes for the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. If we run this, let's see, 1 second. Let's run it real quick. Here you go. I name it Luis Calculator, right? And then, like I said, it's pretty. There's a second one. uh, it's pretty basic. The layout is also a little bit basic, but that's okay. It's my first time coding in Java. And let's do, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, let's clear this, and then let's do 3 minus 2. It's gonna be equals to 1. 3 times 9 is 27, and then let's do 9 divided by 3, which is 3, right? So you guys can see it's fully working. It's actually pretty cool. Something I'm gonna work and improve on, it's the overall uh interface. I wanted to give it like a more updated look, like kind of like the iPhone calculator or the Android Y one. And I also want to add more functionalities and not use these basic uh mathematical operations. Let's close this. Other than that, that's my code. Thank you guys for listening.